e-commerce company platform, eBay, Amazon, Mercari, Etsy, Shopify, Bonanza, like that platform you can sell used and new item. Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to get more sales secret for your e-commerce platform. First, if I talk about Amazon, Etsy, you can sell as much you can new item and used item, those platform. If I talk about Mercari, Shopify, Bonanza, you can use new item, use clothes and shoes as well, those platform. And if I talk about eBay, is a very important. You can use new item, used item, and junk item. So what is Shopify? Shopify is you can sell item online, your own store, build platform. Can sell like used item, new item, clothes, shoes as well. You guys doing dropship? This platform is the best platform for you dropship. You can dropship eBay to Shopify, Amazon to Shopify, Walmart to Shopify, and even you can do AliExpress, Alibaba to Shopify. eBay has a world second-hand e-commerce platform. It's the biggest platform, and they has 183 million buyers so far. eBay you can sell new item, used item, and junk item as well. So I'm recommended you have to sell new item as much you can, and used item also you can sell, then you can get more profit from used item. But I'm not recommended if you sell junk item. So if you sell junk item, your listing going down, then you can make income with the junk item. So if you have junk item, you have to remove your junk item and get together. You can make a junk drawer, like can list like a box, everything together. Then you can take pictures your junk item and put in the same box, and you can put price as example. You can put $30 and plus ship. So usually I'm selling like that junk item, so I put the junk drawer box, then I put everything in the box and sell like $30, $20 plus ship. Then you can make more profit if you sell junk item individual, that you cannot get more sales like individual item. If you sell junk item like a junk drawer, then you can make more income. That's a secret of make sales. Number one, I put the number one, junk item. You can make a junk drawer. Okay, secret of make a income from your platform. So I'm going to put number two is a quality pictures. Quality pictures is very important for your Amazon, eBay, Shopify, like that, those platforms. So you can make sales easily if you have clear pictures, white background, remove white background pictures. Quality pictures is very important. I put the number two for make more sales from those platform. So you can use remove your background pictures, so you can Google, so you can find the softwares, so free softwares and paid version software. Remove a background images. So I'm not any affiliate with those softwares, so I have tell like that, so I'm not make any money from those softwares. So you can Google and you can find out what's good software for remove image background. Then I am highly recommended for quality pictures. You can use those software for quality pictures. If you can use like that canvas box. If you want, we can make yourself. And I bought this on Amazon. It come with 2 LED light both side. Then you can use pictures clear background. So I using this one for my pictures. So even you can make yourself and put the LED light both side. Then can make quality pictures. Third secret of get more sales your platform. So I'm going to talk about analyze your item and customer research. That's the third one I'm talking about. So if you're selling eBay, Amazon, those platforms, you can analyze what you sell, what is the market right now. Then eBay, you can search left side your item, sold item. Then you can see the green price. That's sold item. Then you can figure out how much you put your item for. Don't put high value or lower, then you're not getting any sales. So actually if you put lower, you get more sales, but you not get income. So you can put the average price, compare with the other seller. Then you have to analyze and research your item. That's I'm recommended third one. Then if you drop shipper, then you can use software or below or what's the other one, AliShark, like that softwares, but keep in mind I'm not affiliate with any of those softwares. Then especially if you do drop ship, so then you can use those platform, analyze your item and research, customer research, how is as selling items. Number 4 of get more sales secret income. So I'm going to number 4, list item daily. This is a very important to get more sales income from your platform, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Bonanza, talking about like that platform. So don't be lazy, you have to list at least 5 to 10 item as much you can. You can list more than 10 if you can. Then those platform algorithm is few listing every day. Daily your item is going up. Otherwise your item going down, you not make sales in those platform. Keep in your mind. So very important, list item at least 5 to 10 if you can. So that's a very important. I put the number 4, list item daily. Number 5, if I talk about you get sales secret for income. Number 5, offer 30-day returns. This one also very important for you get back your customer, your stores, the 30-day offer return. So very important. Buyer buy your item, satisfy and confidently, then you can get more sales. You offer 30-day return. Then if you sell eBay, so this you get more sales, and you get top seller if you offer 30-day return. So 6, you get more sales, secrets, income. I put number 6 is provide free shipping. But I research myself, some sellers, they don't like provide free shipping, but I am highly recommended. If you can, you put the free ship your item, then you get more sales. So buyers keep coming to your stores, and they confidently buy your items. So I am highly recommended, if you can put the free ship your item, then you can get more sales. Automatically your listing going up if you put the free ship your item. 7, I talk about get more sales, secrets, your income, feedback note. Same thing, you can put the called thank you card. If somebody buy your stores, then when you ship your item, you put in the thank you card. So thank you for purchase from my stores. If you can put like that a card, so they're gonna be love it. So I have more experience that than if I put it like that thank you card. So I get the written feedback, 5-star feedback, 10 out of 6 to 7. I get the feedback with my thank you card, and even item also be in good quality and no damage, no in good quality, then also you get the feedback. And I recommend that if you can put the thank you card, feedback note, then buyer also return your stores, and they buy from something from your stores. Then I put the number 7, feedback note or thank you card. These secrets of you get more sales for your platform. So eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Bonanza, Mercari, Shopify. So that's the secret of 7. You get more sales for your stores. So number 1, I recommend that make a junk drawer, and second, you have to get the quality pictures. You can use software if you want. Then number 3, analyze and research what you're selling, what's the price, what's today market value, and then how many buyers you can get your stores. And number 4, I'm talking about list item daily. That's a very important. So if your listing item is going up, your store items, then easily buyer can see your item. So number 5, offer free 30-day returns. This one also very important. You get more sales, back your customers, your stores. Number 6, provide pre-shipping. If you can, there's more benefits you get from your customers back to your stores. Provide pre-shipping. And finally, number 7, last one, I recommend that put a feedback note, thank you card, so get your customer back to your stores and give more chance to buy again your stores. Right guys, thank you for watching my video. So hopefully you can get more details about next video about the e-commerce platform, how it work, how get more sales. Alright guys, thank you.